sample theoretical calculation for RL series circuit ma. So the voltage across inductor is given by supply voltage into e power minus t by tau, where time is nothing but, where tau is nothing but it is time constant, which is nothing but tau is equal to L by R. What is the value of inductor nana? 1 Henry. What is the value of resistor? 1 kilo ohm. Always please don't write it as 1 kilo ohm nana, always write the value, that is 1 divided by 1000, then only we will get the exact value. So it is nothing but 1 into 10 power minus 3 seconds, or I can write it as t is equal to 1 millisecond. So what is the multiple of 1 millisecond nana? So it is 1 into 2, I can write it as 2 millisecond. Is it clear nana? In the CRO for RL series circuit, we have set the time scale as 2 milliseconds. This is the reason why we have to keep the time scale into 2 milliseconds. So for example, from the function generator, what is the supply voltage we have applied nana? 20 volts peak to peak, that is 4 divisions into 1 division. 1 division is equal to 5 volts. 4 divisions and 1 division is equal to 5 volts, that is total it is 20 volts. So VL is equal to 20 into e power minus t by tau. If I consider t is equal to tau, then what will happen nana? VL is equal to 20 into e power minus 1. So VL is equal to 20 into e power minus 1. So what is the value of e power minus 1? The value of e power minus 1 is nothing but 0.3678 nana. So you can approximate it, so it's 0.367. So 20 into 0.367 is 7.28 volts. So at 1 millisecond nana, the voltage available across the inductor is 7.28. So practically also from the waveform at 1 millisecond you must get the same value. You must get the same value as in case of theoretical. Coming to theoretical calculation for RC series circuit nana, VC is equal to Vs into 1 minus e power minus t by tau, where Vs is nothing but we are applying 20 volts, and time constant here it is R into C. The value of resistor is 1000. The value of resistor is 1000 and the value of capacitor is 0.1 into 10 power minus 6 farad. Microfarad is nothing but 10 power minus 6 nana. Micro is nothing but 10 power minus 6. So I can write it as 0.1 millisecond. 0.1 millisecond. This is time constant. So what is the multiple of 2 nana? So 0.1 into 2 is how much? 0.2 millisecond. So this is the reason why on the time scale on the CRO we kept 0.2 millisecond. For RL we kept 2 millisecond nana. For RC we kept 0.2 millisecond. Why? Because this is the reason. For 1 millisecond the scale will be somewhat enlarged. We can't draw the waveform properly. That's why multiple of 2. 1 into 2 is nothing but 2 millisecond. That is RL circuit. 0.1 also same thing. It will be waveform will be very much enlarged. But we require a proper waveform to draw. So that's why we have to little bit compress it. So that's why we are multiplying it with 2. 0.1 into 2 is 0.2 milliseconds. So if t is equal to tau nana, so that is 20 into 1 minus e power minus 1 when t is equal to tau. So I can write 20 into 1 minus, so e power minus 1 is nothing but 0.367. So 20 into 1 minus e power minus 1 is nothing but approximately it is 12 volts. 12.64 volts. So this is theoretical value. Vc is equal to 12.64 volts. Similarly from the waveform, the graph which we get, there also at 0.1 millisecond we have to get the same voltage as in case of theoretical value. So theoretical value here it is 7.28 volts. The practical value must be same. approximately it has to be equal. Practical voltage and theoretical voltage, it has to be same for 1 millisecond. For RC series circuit, Nana, the theoretical voltage is 12.64 volts. So practically from the graph also, at 0.1 milliseconds, we have to get approximately same voltage. Then only our experiment is valid. And this is your experiment that is related to transient response of RL and RC series circuit. This is the model graph, Nana, for RL series circuit, which is drawn by the student itself. Okay? And this is your output voltage for waveform for RC series circuit, which is measured across the capacitor.